Have you seen transformer? Yeah. This is a model of transformer. There are two types of transformer, step up and step down. In one system, I am showing the step up and step down transformer. Here there is three components. First, this component is primary coil. These two components are secondary coils. This secondary coil, number of coils is greater than the primary coil. This secondary coil has the number of coils is less than the primary coil. I am applying AC current to the primary coil. What will happen? You can see. How is it? Two bulbs are glowing. The light difference between the two bulbs light is shows that which is step up, which is step down. This is step up, this is step down. This is step up, this is step down. The number of coils is greater than primary coil is step up down transformer. The number of coils is less than primary coil is step down transformer. Okay.
Thank you.
This is another device. Listen. This is another device. This device using to measure voltage of a circuit and amperage or current of a instrument connecting with this instrument. Okay, there are so many bulbs. This is 100-watt bulb, this is 0-watt bulb, this is LED bulb, this is CFL lamp. We can switch on. What will happen? The ammeter reading the amperage of the bulb using. Understand? What is the amperage? 0.422 amperage. Okay. This is a 0-watt bulb. Actually, it is not a 0-watt because it is using 0.069 amperage of current. Okay. Another. This is an LED bulb. There is no fluctuation here. There is no reading here. Actually, it is using amperage or current. We can measure. The next, CFL lamp. What is the current using by CFL lamp? 0.062 amperage. Okay. Lightning with LED, the amperage is increasing. That means the LED bulb using current is 0.005 amperage. Okay. It shows it is better to use at our home LED and similarly we can multiply the value of amperage and voltage. We get the power of bulb. Actually, the power of an instrument is depending on the voltage. Whenever the voltage is fluctuating, the power of any instrument connecting with is fluctuating. Power is not steady. Actually, power is not steady. Power of all electrical instrument is depending upon the voltage of the circuit. This instrument shows that. Similarly, this instrument showing that we can calculate the power of any instrument connecting with.